Alright, welcome back 26 Acres Outdoors. We're doing some crappie fishing from the kayak today. Unbeknownst to me, they opened the dam and now the water is probably 10 feet lower. So we're going to try to pinpoint these crappie. We're going to start by the dam and this pile of brush. I kind of know where it's deep in this lake, or pond rather. I'm going to use... So I got some spots to try to track them down. I'm going to use a nice little green grasshopper. It seems to kind of locate them pretty quick. I probably will catch a bunch of pumpkin seeds. There's one. That looks like a little pumpkin seed, but we got to get... Oh, he fell off. We got something. I don't know what it was, what it is. This lure is not acting. Oh, we got a pumpkin seed. Got him on the back. Like I said, I'm going to have to catch a bunch of these before I find where the crappie are all hanging out. Nice little guy. Right there. Let them rings disappear. Oops. Oh, we got one. Oh boy. Told ya. There's a pumpkin seed, but that first twitch after those rings disappear, if they don't whack it right from the get-go, they're going to hit it again. It's a good one. Not what we're after. But this is a great little lure to target. Find them. It is summer. Ooh. There's a hookup. We went down in the weeds. I don't know what it is. We got, fell off. I think it was a perch. They're not really liking this gold one. And now I'm whipping into the wind. Light 4-pound test, so we gotta kind of... What we got in there? Oh, we got a pumpkin seed. He fell off. This one, what do we got? Oh, a little pumpkin seed. That one's like bait. Oh, great. There he goes. We're behind my back right there, and something came up and whacked it. Oh, we got something reeling it in. Oh, it's a crappie. It just happens to be a baby. So now in Connecticut, we actually call these calico bass. If you look on YouTube, nowhere does it say. Everybody calls them crappie. So we got to meet us a little baby one, but at least they're in here. Let's try to target some bigger ones. There you go, bud. We're going to head all the way to that back corner over there because I know there's some crappie. Hopefully, that's where we usually catch them. And there's all that brush over there, kind of in the shade. A pretty view, huh? Look at the farm. You hear the cows mooing on occasion, but... All right, let's go paddle over. We'll try down there. One, another pumpkin seed. Good one. I don't know where the crappie are. Not near us, that's for sure. There you go, buddy. Missed him again. Oh no, I didn't. He's on there. Oh, we got a pumpkin seed. Well, it is a fish. Come on, bud. Got one. Just diving down in them weeds. What we got? What do we got? Oh, another pumpkin seed. Where are you hiding, crappies? Where are you hiding? Oh, I think we finally found him out here in the middle. I do believe that's a... Nope. That is just a little bass that liked our cricket. Oh well. He's not very big either, but there you go, little tiny baby one. What do we got? Right on the weed line. Fell off. Darn it. But I think that's another pumpkin seed. He's going sideways. It is. You hit it pretty good. There you go, buddy. Another pumpkin seed. We are on fire with these things. I cannot find the crappie. Not today. It's too windy. Oh, we got one. He darted all the way out here. Yeah, another pumpkin seed. There you go, bud. Right by the boat. Don't know what it is. Oh, pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed. Yeah, it's another. Bruising for a bruising if I hook anything in here. Not with ultralight tackle. Oh, he fell off. Alright, we got another pumpkin seed. Yes, we do. Oh, this wind is torturous. There you go, buddy. Give me the up yours splash. Nice. Whew. Yo. It's cooling off, people. It's heating up. I got a good little spot. The wind's keeping me at bay. Oh, I think we got another pumpkin seed. Yes, we do. Yep, there it goes. Catch and release. I got one that's coming right at me. Hit the water. I don't know what it is. Hey, another pumpkin seed. Oh yeah. Oh, it's not what we want. Alright, I'm done. I've retied that thing. I don't know how many times. That reel is horrible on that pole. That's it. I'm heading back in. Been out here for quite a few hours. Got a bunch of pumpkin seeds, one crappie. A little disappointed. Just couldn't find them today. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll be doing some more kayak fishing. As much as I hate being in a kayak, but right now that's all we got. So, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.